All right, you're ready to replace the bulkheads on your ice barrel 300 or 500. You've received all the parts for the replacement. You have the new brass fittings and a couple wrenches and some thread tape. I'm gonna walk you through how to replace it. So first of all, you gotta make sure you drain your barrel. That's a key step. You're gonna start with this wrench right here. We're gonna use that to remove the spigot. All right, now that the spigot is out, let's go ahead and remove the plug up on the top. And we're gonna use this multi-tool wrench right here. And this part right here is the spot for the plug. All right, let's take a few turns with the wrench. It'll loosen up right away, and then you'll be able to take it out the rest of the way with your hand. Now, you have those parts out. We're gonna flip our wrench over, and this larger size is for the bulkhead. We're gonna remove these plastic bulkheads. Slide a wrench over, get it loose. Doesn't take much, you can see it's starting to loosen up. We'll do the bottom one. Go. Get a quick spin. Pop it through to the inside. Same thing here. There you go. Now that you have your bulkheads removed, we're gonna replace them with these new brass ones. One thing that's different about these brass bulkheads is that they are reverse thread. What that means is what you learned, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, it doesn't work on these. So it'll feel a little odd when you go to unscrew them because it's backwards from what your brain is used to. But what that does is that when you install the plug or any other accessories or the shutoff valve, it will tighten itself as you tighten those down, so it won't loosen as you tighten those down. So go ahead and unscrew that, see if that doesn't break your brain. And you have two washers on this. You have this washer here, and you have this rubber washer. So we're gonna leave that rubber washer on. We're gonna place it right through the bulkhead, just like that. Start with the top one. All right, so then on the outside, you're gonna place on this nylon washer, and then the nut, and remember it's reverse thread, so it's gonna go opposite of what you think. So lefty-tighty. Go ahead and tighten that up by hand. And then we'll take that same wrench, we'll slide that on, and we'll give that just about 1/4 of a turn. Any more than that, it'll be too tight and you could potentially break something. All right, let's do the bottom one. Let me make sure that it's clear to all of you that which washer is which. This nylon one is the outside one. I'll place this down here. And this rubber one right here is the one that goes on the inside, and you can tell the difference. That one is easy to fold. This one is very rigid. So we'll take that rubber one, that'll go right there, and that'll be the one that goes on the inside. You'll see here in a second. And this nylon one will be the one that goes on the outside. Again, we'll place this on and screw it on. You'll need to hold it from the inside. And you'll screw it on lefty-tighty. Go ahead and tighten it down by hand. Once it feels snug, take your big wrench, slide it over the nut, give it about 1/4 of a turn. There you go, nice and tight. Now, all we're gonna do next is just replace the parts that were already in there. One thing you'll note is that you have a roll of tape here. This thread tape is super important just to keep the threads from not leaking. Take a little bit of that tape. This might take a few tries for you. Just wrap it around, probably no more than twice. Give it a good, smooth it down. And then this is going to be just like you expect righty-tighty. Again, do it by hand. You can see my spigot lever is not right side up, so I'm just going to tighten it down till it ends up where I want it. You notice the bulkhead spinning a little bit, and that's okay. It's not loosening. It will only tighten, so it won't leak once you tighten it up. All right, now for the top, we'll just be reinstalling the plug, remove any thread tape that was already on there. We're gonna put fresh thread tape on there, just twice around. It should be wrapping away from you, with the plug facing right like this. That way when you go to tighten it up, it actually tightens the thread tape back onto it. It doesn't try to take it off. Just like the bottom, we'll insert it right into the top bulkhead, righty-tighty, tighten it up by hand. And we'll take our wrench, remember it's this side right here, put that right over the plug, and we'll give it about 1/4 of a turn. All right, now you have a new bulkhead, top and bottom, fresh thread tape on your plug, fresh thread tape on your shutoff valve. You are all set to go to refill it with water.